Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra full specifications. The Android V15 offers a sleek design with a thickness of just 8.2 mm, making it a slim and portable device weighing 218 grams. One of its standout features is the in-display fingerprint sensor, which enhances security and convenience for users while maintaining the device's modern aesthetic. Overall, the Android V15 combines cutting-edge technology with a lightweight and stylish form factor. The display features a stunning 6.9-inch LTPO AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels, providing a sharp pixel density of 498 ppi. It supports HDR10+, ensuring vibrant colors and high contrast, with a peak brightness of 2600 nits, making it exceptionally bright for outdoor visibility. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Armor 2, enhancing durability against scratches and impact. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, the display offers smooth scrolling and improved responsiveness, while the punch-hole design maximizes screen real estate for an immersive viewing experience. The camera system features a remarkable 200MP quad rear camera with optical image stabilization, OIS, allowing for stunning high-resolution photography and smooth video capture. It supports 8K video recording at 24 frames per second, ensuring crisp and detailed video quality for professional-like shoot. Additionally, the setup includes a 12MP front camera, perfect for high-quality selfies and video calls, making it a versatile choice for both photography enthusiasts and casual users. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset powers this device, featuring an impressive octa-core processor that can reach speeds of up to 4.47 GHz. It's equipped with 12 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and a responsive performance for demanding applications and games. Additionally, the device offers 256 GB of inbuilt memory, providing ample storage for apps, media, and files, although it does not support memory card expansion. This combination of advanced processing capabilities and substantial memory makes it a strong contender for high-performance mobile devices. The connectivity options available in modern devices highlight significant advancements in wireless technology. With 4G and 5G networks, users benefit from high-speed internet and improved performance, while Voice over LTE VoLTE and Voice over 5G VoLTE 5G enhance voice calling quality and reliability. Bluetooth version 5.4 allows for seamless connections with various devices, while Wi-Fi enables fast internet access. Near-field communication (NFC) offers convenient methods for contactless payments and data exchange. Additionally, the inclusion of USB-C version 3.2 provides versatile wired connectivity for charging and data transfer, supporting faster data speeds and increased power delivery. The battery features a robust 5,000 mAh capacity, ensuring long-lasting performance for daily usage. It supports 45W fast charging, allowing for rapid recharging, while 25W wireless charging offers a convenient cable-free option. Additionally, it includes 10W reverse charging, enabling users to charge other devices, and an impressive 4.5W reverse wireless charging, making it a versatile choice for those needing to power up multiple gadgets on the go.